Collaboration is becoming more of a priority as we teach students about the world and how they can have a positive impact on it. We know students benefit when they interact with peers outside of their immediate environment. But while we can't bring them all to other countries, we can bring the world to them. Technology can be used to build a global citizenship in an authentic way, to connect classrooms across schools, districts, and borders. Young people may gravitate towards Snapchat, WhatsApp, and Instagram in their personal lives. As teachers, we can make use of similar technologies for learning. Classrooms that embrace networking tools that students recognise have the potential to counter powerful forces of student disengagement. When tech-enabled collaboration is done well, each and every student can experience learning that is social, participatory, interest-driven, and relevant to them.
We have software called Bridget, and it allows you to connect to any classroom, to not only connect with the smartboard, but it allows you to connect to your computer desktops with each other. I could have a student working in my room use a Google Doc, and they could walk up to my smartboard where the entire class can see them, and they can type whatever they're working on, and the other classroom that I'm collaborating with would be able to see what they're typing, and they could help each other. And I think it really shows the kids how connected we all are, or can be, through technology.
Technology enables students to collaborate with other people and experience other places, to interview experts worldwide and question people working in the field. Collaborate with students on projects. Ever try a mystery Skype, where students deduce where the person is from and what they do through question and answer sessions? Students can also see the world without leaving the classroom, visiting historic cities using virtual reality headsets, explore shipwrecks using Google Earth, observe animals in the wild on 24-hour live video streams.
We have a Google set of glasses, our counting. So we actually used it in a Battle of the Books practice with the kids, and they were reading a book about Abraham Lincoln, and so we took them to Ford Theater. We virtually got a little afternoon field trip to Ford Theater.
We all know that technology has its challenges. Wi-Fi can go down, memory storage fill up, internal cameras fail. But focus on the positives. We don't need to be experts to get the most out of technology. Plan ahead to mitigate against challenges and empower tech-savvy students to take control if and when things do go wrong.